Hey, it's me again. What's up? Welcome back to Bulnati TV, and I welcome myself back to the reaction because it's been a while. I got so busy, and the last video I posted, nakatikim pa ako ng masasarap at maanghang na mga salita or comment from Barda fan. This is for everybody. We are idolizing a fandom or a celebrity. It's very normal that we defend them to the death of us because we want to lift them up, because that's very normal. That's human instinct, a fan instinct to their idol. But you don't need to really go below the line, below the belt, because wala naman akong kasalanan, no? Wala naman akong kasalanan. I just responded to the comment, and I thought that I would be very sad kung totoo yun. But it doesn't mean na David had a relationship or has a relationship. And the story still is hidden from us, because I'm not saying that David is a manggagamit or whatever, because David is really a decent guy. And that was not I intended to mean sa last video ko. But here, scrolling through my feeds because just got home from work, and then I saw this video clip. Pakinggan natin.
Dahil nawawala, di ba? Kaya parang gawa-gawa daw ito ng network.
Alam mo ako, hindi ako
According to Mr. Romel Chica, sa nasagap nilang balita, na tila baga may kinalaman ang GMA Sparkle sa paghiwalay di umano ni Jack Roberto at ni Miss Barbie Forteza. Dahil medyo nga humihina.
Ito yung mga video na ganito ang malisyoso. Ito yung mga video na fake news, kumbaga. They are not fact-based, alright? They're not being fact-checked, and they're just some kind of hearsay. Hindi totoo, gawa-gawa lang. So ito dapat yung mga clip or comment or mga tao na dapat pinagsasabihan natin. Kasi yung mga taong nagdi-defend sa Barda, and Barda, I think that they are one of the most genuine love teams we ever have right now. And I think that they are still gonna go soar higher compared to what they have right now, because they're just so good with, respectively sa field nila. David is a business guy and as an entrepreneur and a celebrity, and Barbie as an established career woman through her repertoire for the past 50 to 20 years. And that's undeniable. They're so better when they come together as a team. So that's why Barda is sailing. That's why Barda is soaring. That's why Barda will continue to fly high because of those things. And video clip like this.
Alamlam ang tambalang Barda o si Barbie Forteza at David Licauco.
No. That's when we demand things. That's when we question things. Kasi ang pagtatanong ay hindi fake news. Pero kung magsasabi ka ng mga ganyan without evidence and proof, then you are making a story. And that could lead to some sanctions. That could lead to legal repercussion. We are fans. Please, I'm just reminding all the fans that yes, to the death of us, we want to uplift our celebrity idol, but it doesn't have to the extent of going berserk just to defend your idol. Me, I'm a Barda fan. Specifically, I am a Barbie fan. Again, I've said this before, I'm gonna say it again. Whether they're gonna go together at the end of the day, I still support Barbie Forteza because I've seen her works, alright? I've witnessed her rise to stardom, and she deserves all the things that she has gotten right now. And same to David Licauco. If it's not Barbie, that's fine. But I hope that he is also the man he said he is, that he's grateful to Barbie and not using Barbie for his advantage to just step on the ladder for success. But again, this is my opinion for me, not to everyone, okay? But for my opinion, I believe that Barbie is sincere and that David Licauco is reciprocating the love, the concern, the respect, and the professionalism that Barbie has shown to David Licauco, and that David Licauco is taking care of the things that he's been given right now. Career, business, and anything in between. Bonus na yung love kung sila man talaga. But again, okay, spreading fake news like this or insinuating conversation that has no basis has legal sanctions. And we don't want to be at the losing end. I stand by my principle. I've always been an advocate for truth, nothing but a truth. So everything I'm saying right here in my video clips, in my posts are truth, are fact-based. I really wish that Barda soars higher this year, like what I said in my past videos, because I sincerely believe that with genuine intention, love for career, and of course, continuous improvement on your craft can lead you to higher heights, to greater heights of success. What do you think about that video? What do you think about that clip? Comment down and let's talk in the comment section. But let's advocate for positive conversation. Okay? Remember, hindi natin hawak ang isip ng tao at ang kanilang mga reaction. But if we continue to respond positively to situations, then we can have an amazing world where children would have smile on their faces. Sure. Have a good day. Bye.
Well, that's practice making me